1-1.
Oh, you do that so
Yeah,
well,
I think it's
Stephen.
good.
You do so good.
I get a pay raise?
What's that?
I get a pay raise?
You get a no.
Oh.
You get a gold star, that's about it.
Whatever.
Well, good morning, Sunday. Thank you for joining us again this morning. And you know what the first thing you've probably noticed is there's no Jack Dangerfield. So
Why not Jack?
No,
Oh.
no. While we can never replace Jack, we have replaced Jack. So
With me.
With Stephen. So some of you know him mostly as my husband, but he is now working alongside of me in real estate. So we thought, what better opportunity to sit down, film ourselves, answering questions, and getting cranky at each other.
Yes. Good fun.
Good fun. So the first question, and you don't know about this, Stephen, but we're actually not going to answer any questions here. I thought to get us started, it'd been really nice to talk about what it is that brought you over to come working with me, and I suppose the interest that you have in wanting to work in real estate. And we should probably say what you were doing beforehand.
Not much. No. So what I used to do before is I used to work in civil construction, building roads, bridges, drainage, so forth like that. I've been working with Kathleen on the side for about 2.5 years, giving her a hand out on Saturdays, Sundays,
During the
whatever
week,
else
late nights,
needs to be
yeah.
done.
Yeah.
And sort of this last year we've been playing with the idea of me coming over full time with Kathleen, and happened to be as of 2.5 weeks ago it was the correct time, so here I am.
We jumped in and we're giving it a go.
Pretty much.
Any advice that anyone actually might have out there, if you work with your spouse, please leave a comment below and tell us the good, the bad, the ugly, and tell us what to expect, because it's all going to be a bit nerve-wracking, but so far so good. We haven't killed each other, have we? Yeah.
No,
No.
not yet.
Not yet, but no. So, okay, very good. So, Stephen, what have you learnt so far in your full time, even though you've been doing it part time for 2.5 years?
It's sort of-
Is it what you expected the last couple of weeks?
Yes and no. It's sort of your expectation of trying to keep everyone happy and trying to do above and beyond to help the buyer, help the seller, get the house sold as quickly as possible for them with as best a price, and try and help out buyers. And
And so far, you're nailing it. Your first day, you sold one for a record price. So, yay! Insert
me.
clapping noise here. So, no, it's been really good so far, hasn't it?
I enjoyed it, yeah,
It's been really good.
I was absolutely nervous,
Were you going to say something
Yes.
else? He's probably going to swear.
but no, I won't do that.
He's been given strict instructions not to swear.
So anyone that knows me, I'm doing really, really good. So no, I've actually been really, really enjoying it. It's dealing with a vast majority of different people.
Yeah, yeah.
It's good. Enjoying it now.
Having to manage your wife's expectations too.
Great.
Happy days.
Love it.
Love it. Anyway, that's all for our first episode of Good Morning Sunday. Thank you to everyone also for all your messages of support.
Yes,
when we announced
thank yous,
that,
yeah.
when we announced that
Very
Stephen
good.
was coming on board. Everyone's been really wonderful, so it's really nice to see. And like I said, if you've got advice, or perhaps you work with your spouse, send me a message or comment below and tell us all the things we
All the
need to
great
know.
stuff.
Anyway, that's all from us. Mwah. Enjoy your Sunday. Bye.
I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to do that.